What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Guns Locks, where I show you how to get dreadlocks like some of your favorite celebrities. Today we're going to be looking at Boonk, and we all seen what happened to Boonk. Just recently, it wasn't a good thing.
Shout out to the homie Boonk. Oh my.
Anyway, he gets in a whole bunch of stuff, but we're just going to be looking at his dreadlocks today. In this first photo, you guys can see that he actually had dreadlocks before. Like, he had all the fame and whatever, and before all the tattoos. These were actually real dreadlocks, and then now he does have fake dreadlocks. Yeah, that is a proven fact. If you guys remember, I made a video on it when he actually installed them, and he's kind of notorious for putting in fake hair. So he's been sticking with the dreadlocks for a while now. At first, they didn't look that good because he put in like thick ones, and they were kind of just stiff, and then eventually he just got these ones in now, and they're like more skinny and they look more natural to how they looked when he first actually had them in that first picture. He basically installed them, I'm assuming, by crochet hooking into his natural hair. You guys did see, I'm gonna scroll a little forward to when he had his natural hair. His natural hair is about a 4A, so it would be easy to actually crochet in, but if you guys do remember, his hair is like actually pretty fried from who knows what. He must have got a perm or something to straighten out his hair, and then he installed the dreadlocks afterwards. But you guys can see this is like actually a style that he wears a lot. He's just pulling it up into like some sort of pineapple looking thing, and it does like kind of hang off to the side, doesn't really hang straight up. And if you look at this photo, you can actually see that he does wear a rubber band versus a hair tie, which rubber bands are not comfortable in your hair because it pulls on your hair most of the time. But yeah, he did start out as dreadlocks. I'm not exactly sure when he started out when he actually did have real dreadlocks, but now, like I said, he did do crochet hooking, I'm assuming, and then now it looks like he does two-strand twists within his dreadlocks, which is a really cool hairstyle. It looks really nice. The thing about his dreads now is they actually look really real. He must have used real hair dreads when it came to installing the synthetic dreads. Well, not synthetic, but real hair dreads. Installing the extensions, you can put it that way. But yeah, they actually look really good. Like, if you zoom in, they look fine. They don't look fake at all. They are a little more stiff than actual dreads. Like, his hair would hang a little better if they were natural and real, but you can see where his hair is actually attached, like right here. These little white spots where his hair is budding up. It's where his hair is attached and most likely just trying to form together. Overall, his hair looks way better now than it did when he first started the fake hair. But yeah, these are 4 mugshots of him actually. You can see his different hair growth. First one being with him with dreadlocks, and then the second one being the bottom right with his hair being cut. Or that one could even be before the one on the left, to tell you the truth. And we'll actually go with that. I think that's actually true. And then it goes up to, I'm believing the one on the top right, and then it goes to the top left as far as progression goes. And you can see that his natural hair can get dreadlocks. So it was just like a thing that he wanted right away, so we ended up getting them. But what do you guys think? I think his hairstyles look way better now than how they did when he first got the fake dreads. But like I said, it is real hair dreadlocks. So what I mean by that is it's real hair extensions. If you ever see people with extensions and their hair looks really natural, it's because they have real hair extensions. Sometimes they can be synthetic, but the thing about synthetic dreads is they'll be more frayed at the tips. They look like very straight, and you can just tell they look fake. But yeah, right now, like, his hair is buttered up at the tips and they look really good. He does have rubber bands at the tips. That's because he does have two-strand twists in. But overall, I'm not gonna lie, guys, these actually look pretty clean. Not looking at his lifestyle or anything like that. Overall, his dreadlocks look super nice. They actually fit him very well. Comment down below what you guys think of his dreadlocks. Even though they are like extensions and everything, there's nothing wrong with extensions. A lot of people get on to me about people with like fake dreads or synthetic dreadlocks, and they think that I don't like them. Like, I really don't care. I'm just like saying, I put that in the title because that's how their dreads are, or that's what I think. But his are for sure extensions, because he actually showed us the process on that. Not gonna lie, over time they will look good. Like, if you look at Fetty Wap, his hair does not look fake whatsoever, but his hair was real hair extensions. And I think it's the same with dreadlocks. Like, if you wait and continue to work on your hair, they're gonna look good over time. And I think that's just what his hair is looking like. I'm sure he has people that work on his hair, like opticians and stuff like that. Not gonna lie, one of the best dreadheads in the game, even though they are extensions. What do you guys think? Comment down below. Also, I want to give a shout out too, so make sure to leave a comment down below so you can get a shout out in the next video. Other than that, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.